Languages are disappearing at an alarming rate. It is a global crisis of untold proportions. With each lost language, we lose a unique perspective on the world. We lose knowledge, history, and cultural understanding. The very fabric of humanity is woven from the threads of diverse languages. When these threads are severed, the tapestry of our collective heritage becomes frayed. It is our duty to protect these endangered languages, to ensure that they continue to enrich the world for generations to come. It is estimated that there are over 7,000 languages spoken around the world. Of these, nearly half are considered endangered, facing the very real possibility of extinction within this century. This means that every 2 weeks a language dies, taking with it a wealth of knowledge and cultural understanding. The reasons for this linguistic extinction are complex and multifaceted. Globalization, migration, and the dominance of a few major languages have all contributed to the decline of indigenous and minority languages. However, there is hope. Advances in artificial intelligence are providing new tools and technologies that can be used to document, preserve, and revitalize endangered languages. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the field of language preservation. AI-powered tools can transcribe and translate spoken languages, analyze speech patterns, and even create written materials in endangered languages. One of the most promising applications of AI is in the development of language learning applications. These apps use machine learning algorithms to personalize the learning experience, making it easier and more engaging for users to acquire new language skills. AI can also be used to create digital archives of endangered languages. These archives can store audio recordings, texts, and other materials that can be used by linguists, language learners, and community members to study and revitalize these languages. Several organizations are at the forefront of using AI for language preservation. Rosetta Stone, known for its language learning software, has partnered with indigenous communities to develop language learning programs that incorporate AI-powered features. Duolingo, another popular language learning platform, has also made significant contributions to language preservation. The Duolingo Incubator allows volunteers to create language courses for a wide range of languages, including endangered ones. These initiatives are making a tangible difference in the fight to save endangered languages. By leveraging the power of AI, they are empowering communities to reclaim their linguistic heritage. Section 5. Measuring the impact. The impact of AI-assisted language preservation efforts is already being felt around the world. In recent years, there has been a surge in the number of digital resources available for endangered languages. For example, the Endangered Languages Project, an online database of endangered languages, has grown significantly in recent years, thanks in part to the use of AI tools for data collection and processing. Statistics show that AI-powered language learning apps are also proving effective in engaging learners. A recent study found that users of AI-based language learning apps showed significant improvements in their language proficiency. Section 6. More than just words. Preserving endangered languages is about more than just preserving words. It is about preserving cultures, identities, and ways of life. Languages are inextricably linked to the cultural values, beliefs, and traditions of the communities that speak them. When a language dies, a wealth of cultural knowledge is lost. Traditional stories, songs, and rituals that have been passed down orally for generations may disappear along with the language. By preserving endangered languages, we are not only preserving linguistic diversity, but also cultural diversity. We are ensuring that future generations will have the opportunity to connect with their heritage and understand the world from multiple perspectives. Section 7. A future rekindled. The future of endangered languages is inextricably linked to the development and deployment of AI technologies. These technologies are not just tools, they are bridges that connect the past with the future, allowing us to preserve the rich tapestry of human culture and knowledge. As we stand on the brink of a new era, AI offers unprecedented opportunities to document, preserve, and even revitalize languages that are on the verge of extinction. As AI continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative tools and applications that can be used to document, preserve, and revitalize these languages. Imagine AI-powered devices that can instantly translate conversations or apps that can teach endangered languages to new generations in engaging and interactive ways. These advancements are not just theoretical, they are happening now, and they hold the promise of a brighter future for linguistic diversity. One promising area of research is the development of AI-powered language models that can generate text, translate languages, and even hold conversations in endangered languages. These models are trained on vast amounts of data and can understand and produce language in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. They can be used to create new educational materials, facilitate communication between generations, and even bring extinct languages back to life. These models could be used to create new educational materials, facilitate communication between generations, and even bring extinct languages back to life. Imagine a world where children can learn the languages of their ancestors through interactive apps, or where elders can share their knowledge and stories with younger generations through AI-powered platforms. This is not just a dream, it is a very real possibility that we can achieve with the right investment and commitment. While AI alone cannot solve the crisis facing endangered languages, it offers a powerful set of tools that can be used to support language revitalization efforts. These tools can help document and preserve languages, create new educational resources, and facilitate communication and collaboration between different communities. However, it is important to remember that technology is only part of the solution. The real work of language revitalization must be done by the communities themselves, with the support of linguists, educators, and policymakers. By embracing these technologies and working in collaboration with indigenous communities, we can create a future where linguistic diversity is celebrated and all languages are given the chance to thrive. This collaborative approach ensures that the technologies developed are culturally sensitive and truly beneficial to the communities they are meant to serve. Together, we can rekindle the future of endangered languages and ensure that the voices of all people are heard and preserved for generations to come. Section 8. Bridging the Gap. One of the most significant challenges in language preservation is bridging the gap between technology and the communities that need it most. This gap is not just about physical distance, but also about cultural and educational divides that can make it difficult for these communities to fully utilize modern tools. Many indigenous communities lack access to the resources and infrastructure needed to take advantage of AI-powered tools. This includes not only the hardware like computers and internet access, but also the training and support necessary to use these tools effectively. It is essential that efforts to preserve endangered languages are driven by the needs and priorities of indigenous communities. This means listening to their voices and understanding their unique challenges and aspirations. Only then can we create solutions that are truly beneficial and sustainable. This means involving communities in every step of the process, from data collection and technology development to the implementation and evaluation of language revitalization programs. By doing so, we ensure that the tools and methods developed are relevant and effective for the people who will be using them. By working collaboratively and ensuring that technology is accessible to all, we can empower communities to take control of their linguistic heritage and ensure that their languages continue to thrive for generations to come. This collaborative approach not only helps in preserving languages, but also strengthens the cultural identity and pride of these communities, fostering a sense of ownership and continuity. Section 9. A Call to Action. The preservation of endangered languages is a matter of global urgency. With each passing day, we risk losing invaluable cultural heritage and knowledge embedded within these languages. It is a responsibility that we all share. Every individual, community, and organization has a part to play in this crucial mission. Each of us can play a role in supporting language revitalization efforts, whether through volunteering, participating in community events, or simply spreading the word, our actions matter. We can start by raising awareness about the crisis facing endangered languages and the importance of linguistic diversity. Education is key to fostering understanding and appreciation. We can support organizations that are working to preserve endangered languages. Donations, volunteering, and advocacy can make a significant impact, and we can learn about the indigenous languages spoken in our own communities and around the world. This knowledge fosters respect and connection. The fate of endangered languages rests in our hands. Our collective efforts can ensure these languages thrive for future generations. By embracing the power of AI and working together, we can create a future where all languages are valued, protected, and celebrated. Technology can bridge gaps and connect us in unprecedented ways. Let us act now, before it is too late. The time to preserve our linguistic heritage is now, and every action counts.